Why? I'm curious.
Birds.
Listen.
It's a bird.
What bird makes the sound we heard? It's a goldfinch, bright yellow with a little black cap.
They're all around.
It's fun to hear. A mourning dove. Let's tiptoe near.
There's a pair over there.
Soft brown with black spots on their backs.
And there's a cardinal.
So bold and red, black mask and a little crested head. Some birds are passing through, but some stick around all year.
A robin.
I know that sound. Red chest and hopping on the ground.
Eating worms for lunch.
So many birds that all live here.
Is that a bird?
The loud tapping wooden sound we heard? A woodpecker's up there, digging bugs from the bark with ease. They're black and white with red heads if they're male. They hold tight with their feet and strong tails.
Birds are awesome.
Singing songs and living birdie life in the trees.
Singing songs and living birdie life in the trees.
Why?